A very good morning, students. I hope you all are well. So, as you know that since last many weeks, I was taking the chapter "The Enemy." This chapter is quite lengthy, as you would have noticed, and many important explanations I have explained. And apart of this, if you find any difficulty, you may ask me, and you can write to me. And second thing, that after these paragraphs, there are few questions also, okay, from the textbook only, reading with insight. So the first question, that is and most of the questions are very like lengthy, and the answers will be in detail. You cannot write short answers of these questions. So reading with insight. So the first question is, there are moments in life when we have to make hard choices between our roles as private individuals and as citizens with a sense of national loyalty. Discuss with reference to the story you have just read. So I hope you all have read the story. So on the basis of this question, the answer you can write yourself. Okay, a little bit hint I can give you, so that you may write the answer. Okay, so here we can see that there are moments, yes, of course there are moments in our life when we have to make choice. Very hard choice means we have to take a very tough decision in our life, that may disturb others, that may like we cannot please everyone. Okay, but sometimes we have to take very hard decisions. Okay, so here also we can say Dr. Sadao faces a dilemma when he finds the body of an unconscious, wounded white man lying on the lonely coast with dangerous rocks near the house, near means his house. His first reaction was that the person was perhaps a fisherman who had been washed from his boat. He ran quickly, means as we had seen in the story that how he reacted. So he ran quickly towards the person, and his wife Hannah came behind him. She also was very helpful to him all the time. When they came near, Sadao found that the man was wounded and lay motionless. Lie motionless means he cannot, he didn't show any movement. So at first sight, he thought that the man is not alive. His face was in the sand. As they saw his face, they found that he was a white man with long yellow hair and a rough yellow beard. Being an expert surgeon, Dr. Sadao saw that the man had a gun wound on the right side of his lower back. He at once packed the wound with sea moss to stanch the fearful bleeding. Since Japan was at war with America, the white man was the enemy. Dr. Sadao muttered, means he said something in his mouth. He could not speak clearly, but he understood that the man whom he was going to give his best treatment is none other than the American soldier from enemy camp. So he did not do anything, means he did not inform anybody else, and he just muttered, what shall we do with this man? There was a very big question in front both of them, means as a doctor he cannot leave him alone in this critical condition. When as a patient he needs immediate help, medical help, and at the same time, Dr. Sadao, he was a citizen of Germany. So, and the war was taking place that time. So he could not go against his country also. So that was something going on his mind, and it was very difficult situation for him. So he did not say anything to anyone, and he answered the question himself. What he answered? Can you guess that what he would have answered himself? When something was going on in his mind, that whether he should take care of the person as a doctor, or he should be treated only as a patient, or he should keep it in mind that he is from enemy camp, he is my enemy and I should not give him treatment. So what he thinks, the best thing that he thought that the best thing we could do, he told his wife that we could do would be to put him back in the sea. His wife approved of his decision. Means wife was always behind him. She never goes against him. So whatever the decision he will take, she will accept it and she appreciated. Then Sadao, Dr. Sadao made another observation. If they sheltered a white man in their house, they would be arrested, and if they turned him over as a prisoner, he would certainly die. So they had two choices: either they can hand over the person to the German army, or they can leave that person there only back to the sea, and they could give him some treatment also. From his battered cap, Dr. Sadao concluded that he was a sailor from an American warship. The man was a prisoner of war. He had escaped, and that was why he was wounded in the back. He was shot at his back because he was running uh, from the army, from the German army, or they had maybe arrested him, and from their custody he was running to escape himself. That time they shot at his back. So Sadao was in deep thought. He was not able to take immediate decision that time. So his wife, she says, Hannah, she says that they were able to put him back into the sea. Sadao then said that it that if the man was whole, he could turn the man over to the police without difficulty. He cared nothing for the man. He was their enemy. They thought, means they were trying to make themselves understand first that we have to react, we have to treat him as an enemy only. So all Americans were their enemy. But since he was wounded, Hannah understood his problem, and the things were going on his mind. She was understanding everything, and she realized that in the conflict between his sense of national loyalty and his duty as a doctor, it was the later which proved dominant, since Sadao too could not throw him back into the sea. Means here his profession he kept first. Means he kept his profession first, and he thinks that at the time of getting the degree of doctor, and he took an oath that he will treat all the patients, all the people as his patients, and he will give them equal attention. He will be not partial to anyone. But here what he was doing, he thought a lot, and then his wife said that they would tell the servants that they intended to give the man to the police. She told Sadao that they must do so, and they had to think of their children. Means they had children also, and the doctor's position. It would endanger all of them. if they did not give that man over as a prisoner of war. So they were thinking about their family. Now you can imagine that a person, this was the worst situation in front of a doctor when he was going to take care of a patient who was not only a patient but he was a prisoner of war. So Sadao agreed and promised that he would not think of doing anything else. Okay, so he was not able to take a decision. So in this question we will not write that he took the patient or he took that man as his patient, and he started giving him any treatment. Here we will write that what was going on in his mind, that everything we will write here. Okay, now second and third question I just want you, because you are 12th standard students and I know that you should have means you will have capability to write the answers by your own. So I just want you to write these answers, and uh, if there will be any problem you may write me. Okay, in chat box I'll see, and I'll try to find out some other solution so that I can make you write all these answers. This is very important chapter, my dear students, because many other important chapters have been cut short from the syllabus, and these are very important questions. So more means with more than 10 minutes one question will take to explain. So on next turn I'll try to explain next two questions at least. Okay, on next turn. So till then, goodbye, have a nice day, take care.